Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Saltine. My name is Mark BEYER. I'm the Chief Mixologist for the Maine. Today I'm going to walk us through what we call the Viva España, which is a riff off of the Hubler's specialty, the Spanish coffee. So to start this off, we're going to need to start with a ½ ounce. What we use is STROH 160, which is an overproof Austrian rum, which has great notes of butterscotch and caramel. And we're going to go ahead and light this on fire. And what we're trying to achieve is the flames will caramelize that sugared rim that we have. As the glass heats up, these sugars will start to caramelize and get really, really nice. And you start to see those sugars start to break down. You get a little bit of caramelization in there. Next, we'll add a ½ ounce of COINTREAU. And an ounce and a half of our house-made coffee liqueur. The main ingredient would be our French press coffee, which we'll add. And lastly, we're going to stiffen up some cream, so I just have heavy cream in here. I'm going to give it a nice light, hard shake. Light in length, hard and shake. And we'll layer that right over top of the cocktail. There you are, the Viva España.